From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this style. And can you guess? Wait, never mind, scratch that, because I probably already said it in the title. I'm not sure yet, but today we have another poppin' twist out, and you guys already know how some of us feel about twist outs. It's usually a fail. I usually don't bother trying twist outs, guys. It's hot. Wait, because as I said, it's usually a fail. You guys already know this if you watched my first poppin' twist out video. For this twist out, I only used two products, a leave-in and a curling custard. Of course, all that information will be down in the description box below. I'll probably mention it in the video as well. This is day, what do you call it, day after you do your twist? Is that day 1 or day 2? No, because this is the first time I'm wearing it in the twist out, so that's day 1. Okay, great. You guys see this? Moisture check, definition check, shine check, we got volume check, we got sweat check. Let's check this. If you're new, subscribe, and if you haven't already, clicked the notification bell. Click it. Yes. We're going to start off with clean hair, because if you want your hair to look fresh, then your hair has to be fresh. I know that was corny, but some of you need to stop taking life so seriously anyway. As I said, we're going to start off with clean hair. I actually co-washed my hair for the first time in a long time, guys, and co-wash is actually very beneficial, especially in the colder months, if you don't want to use too much shampoo to strip your hair of its natural oils, because you know the cold can really dry out your hair. Trust me, I suffer in the winter time. Well, I don't have that problem anymore, but just in case you do. And I used one of my favorite co-washes ever that I have not used in a while, actually. I forgot how bomb it was. You know, every time I went to buy it, it was either sold out or the place didn't have it. But yes, curls, yes. So we have clean curls, moisturized curls. Okay, now time to deep condition. And I saved you guys all the trouble of watching me apply more product in my hair in the shower. But this was a new deep conditioner I was trying out, and look at me modeling and stuff, girl. I just be doing too much. But as I said, live a little, okay? Life is short. Do what you want. You do what you want, what you pop it. Okay, at this point, I'll admit that I was being childish. I was trying to show you guys the numbers 30 to tell you guys that I was under the dryer for at least 30 minutes before I rinsed it out in the shower. Listen, deep conditioning with heat does just come on, say words. It just does something to my hair. Leaves my hair so moisturized. The curls pop. Like, hello curls, hello. We see them juicy curls bouncing up and down on the screen. Using heat makes a difference. Okay, Razor, give us some tips. Well, first tip is that I prefer doing my twist outs on stretched hair. That's why I twisted my hair up into sections in the shower, just so that my curls would be stretched and not in its natural curl pattern. Or after going through many trials and tribulations, you eventually learn your lesson if you're not hard-headed. And I realized that doing my twist outs on soaking wet hair is not the move. I have to start off with stretched, damp hair. So let's go over all those steps that you missed because you were listening to what I was saying. And if you saw what I was doing, that was amazing that you can multitask. High five. The first step in this process is dampening my hair with some water. I don't try to get my hair soaking wet, just wet enough for the product to stick onto my hair. And after I spritz the water on my hair, I rub it in, smooth it in, and then we brush it out. Brush out any tangles, any knots, get the hair as smooth as possible when I brush it out. And then, did I mention that I apply the product? Yeah, apply some product and then we twist. If you're a visual learner and you have to learn by me explaining and doing, I got you right here. Spritz with some water. Yep. Spritz. Smooth the product in. So we added the product after that. Okay, gotcha. Then we brushed. Okay. See the curls trying to pop through, but we gonna grab it real quick and twist. So twist my hair together as tightly as possible. That's how you're gonna get that nice spiral. Hear me out. This is an important tip when it comes to achieving a popping twist out. You have to twist your hair tightly together from root to ends. Don't leave any room for slackness. Twist it tightly. The sizing of your twist is also very important when it comes to achieving a popping twist out. You have to figure out if your hair responds well to bigger twist, medium-sized twist, or smaller twist. I realized a little later down in the line, too late, that my hair responds better to medium-sized twist, or even better, larger twist that you're seeing me do in this video. I mean, everyone's perspective is different. Do these look like large twist or medium-sized twist to you? Question, well, 2. Do you guys prefer to do your twist outs on wet hair or stretched hair? Question number 2, where were you last night? I'm just kidding. Question number 2, do you get the best results when your twists are small, medium, or thick? Comment down below because your girl is curious. I want to know. Another tip is that you also have to know your hair, especially if you're multi-textured. I don't know if you guys are paying that much attention, but the front of my hair is definitely a different texture from everywhere else, so I do that section a lot smaller because they respond better when they're twisted smaller and twisted out for a twist out. Boom, we are done. I don't know how long this take me, probably 2 hours, but yes, we have some juicy twist ready to go to bed. Y'all, I was tired. Hold on, y'all gonna see what time it was, but we're gonna go under the dryer. Yes, because I am not going to bed with wet hair, period. We sat under the dryer for 30 minutes. Yes, because we're in this together. And look at the time. Come, look at this. 1:35 a.m. Tap it again, a.m. Look at my eyes, y'all. Tired. But guess who's gonna look like a sunflower the next day? Me. Y'all, these results had me shooketh. Are we still saying that in 2020? If we're not, that's okay. I was shooked. So let's get some things out of the way. I did not add any extra product on my hands, no oil, none of that. I just went straight through and unraveled. And here's another tip. Take your time. Especially when you're unraveling, just take your time, don't rush it, just feel your hair and just separate, just willingly, just let it move, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow as you go. This unraveling was so beautiful that I'm just gonna give you guys a moment of silence. Well, from my voice, cue the music, DJ. Pull up selector Reza. Pon the tune. are done, guys. I was so in love with my results. My hair was shiny, moisturized, defined. Like, I had to say a prayer and thank God, because this does not happen often. So I also fluffed my roots, bringing the hair to the front of my head and pushing forward, pushing up. I don't do much fluffing because honestly my hair is gonna swell on its own. I shape my hair to my liking. And another tip, if you want a specific shape, twist your hair in that shape or that direction. So if you wanted a middle part style, you would have twisted your hair down in the middle. I also added some edge control on my edges. Nothing major, but yes, boo, yes, you did that. But whoo, yes, great job, wonderful, amazing. Yes, Razor, you did that. I know I said bye and all of that in the beginning of the video, but we're back again. I just couldn't get over how, like, listen, what's my name? What's my name? Tell me again. Come on, say it louder. Yes, say what's my name? Who? What? Say my name louder for the people in the back, for the people outside, for the babies that are not born yet. Let them hear you. Hello. Who could hold me? Like, this is your girl Razor in the building. Who are you again? Doesn't matter. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna stop playing now. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.